Thanks to Air Manager, we can quickly create a fully functional instrument cluster for many aircraft. We can place this cluster on any TV, LCD, iPad, or tablet and fully enjoy flying. However, if you are building a cockpit and want to get as close as possible to the real thing, you will realize that all those instruments are not always together, or a big screen will not work for your project. This is where small LCDs come into play. For example, I can use a 7-inch LCD for a nice autopilot annunciator panel. Or how about a 3.5-inch LCD to display a clock and a timer, or other types of annunciations? Note that this 3.5-inch LCD is also a touchscreen. But my favorite is the flat, round LCD, and you can clearly see why. Tiny, plug and play, low power consumption, with a clear picture, and it can be installed anywhere, including tight spaces, with the option of loading many types of round gauges or instruments. Don't ever limit yourself or your project to these LCDs though. There are many types of custom LCDs which you can purchase and they fit perfectly into your project. These smaller yet wider LCDs are perfect for loading many instruments or filling them up with important information such as the crew alert system, warning lights, or engine information. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share as there is more to come. Thanks for watching.